Hey, amazing people. What we're doing today is we're looking at the circumference of circles and the perimeters of sectors. Now, the word circumference is just the special name that's used when we're finding the length or the distance around the outside of a circle. So it's effectively just the perimeter which we're finding. Now, the formula we use when we're finding the circumference of a circle is we use this formula here. It's C, being for circumference, is equal to 2 times pi times r, with pi being the special number that we use when dealing with circle, and r being the radius of the circle. Now, the radius of the circle is the distance from the center of the circle to the outside edge, like we have in this first example here. Now, in this case, if we had to find the circumference of this circle, this would be C is equal to 2 times pi, and we're going to replace the r here. We're going to do a substitution for 3. So using our calculator to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to get 2 times and get pi, which we do shift by this button down here, and times by 3. And so when we do that, we can see that the circumference of this circle then is equal to 18.85 centimeters. Now, there is another formula that we can use where we have a circle with not just the radius, but the actual diameter. Now, diameter, which is what we have in this example here, diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. Now, in this case here, the diameter is measured from one edge of the circle through to the other edge of the circle, and it must pass through the center of that circle as well. So in the case of this circle here, we've got a diameter of 12. Diameter can be calculated by doing, for the circumference of the circle, by doing circumference is equal to pi times d, with d being the diameter. Now in this circle here, in this case, the circumference then is going to be equal to pi times 12, and then C is going to be equal to, as we use our calculator now, we're going to type pi times 12 being the diameter, press equals, and that gives us a circumference here of 37.70 meters.